like I can fly. Fly away. Okay, let's carry on. The mirror in front of me. It's like a zoomed in mirror. For me, they came like in this set. Sorry about that one, it's just gonna fall. It's been falling since yesterday. It came with a lash curl brush. What is the most spoolie? And came with these. I love this. They're so cute. Anyway, so what I'm gonna be doing now is I'm going to be choosing the sizes. There's some long pieces here. Literally, there's some long pieces here. How long this one is. That is it's the first time using Shein lashes. Well, I gave myself a bonus. Yes, shaking. Also put the see. That's good. Let's go in for the second one. Look, we stuck on the thing. I'm just trying to hold it. Like it's all stuck.
I really need somebody. Tell me you get somebody. I don't care about your body. Let the way you touch my body. From the bed, get body. I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy. All I want is you. All I need is you, boy. All I need is you. It's just me and you, boy. It's just me and you. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. Baby, tell me what you in the mood for. Type shit we should get a room for. Got me in the mirror getting cute for it. Lay back, let me show you what I do for it. Pull out the ballet in a new toy. Blow back, now we kissing in the food court. You the type that I would've skipped school for. This shit I got you on my mood board. I wanna live in your scenes. When I jump out, you jump in. I fit all this in my pen. Same way I fit you in my plans. Love the fact that we just friends. And I hate that we just friends. Round two, he want revenge. Over it, over again and again. Can I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. I don't care about your body. Let the way you touch my body. From the bed, get body. I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy. All I want is you. All I need is you, boy. All I need is you. It's just me and you, boy. It's just me and you. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. Damn, sheesh. You make it so hard to be peak. Got me wearing my heart on my sleeve. I be missing you soon as you leave. Damn, really missing you soon as you leave. Double texting that really ain't me. Double tap on that pick and delete. I got him bringing sand to the beach. He got me going up on a yacht. I'm like, keep going, baby, don't stop. Only one got the key to the box. Katie body like you seen her all. I get messy, you might need a mop. Just like Messi, we kick it a lot. Why she texting, I'm climbing on top. Got me screaming out your first name. Picking up on the first ring. Come do me the worst way. Don't care what no birds say. You was always first
Look at this. Guys, I'm not the best at work. The seal. This is the seal. I remember the cute because I haven't had lashes in a long time. Really cute. Okay. My eyes are a bit swollen from the heaviness, I guess. I don't put lashes too much right at the end because hell no, I know that pain. So, yeah, thank you, Shein, I guess. These were better, and the lashes, the seal, the little spoolie. This is the end of the video. That's the end of the video. I love my lashes, guys. Wow. They look so cute. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. And if you reached this part of the video, please leave a pink heart. Bye.